In this video, I'm going to share with you how to get Tradovate on your mobile and access your TradeDay or Apex Trader prop firm funding through the app. First of all, you're going to search for your Play Store or your Apple Store. You're going to go into there and then search for Tradovate. From there, we're going to install. We'll wait for that to verify and download. It will install and then we can open it up. So just hit open and that will open the app. We'll go into Tradovate and then we just want to hit sign in down the bottom, that blue button, because when it comes to Tradovate and accessing Apex or your TradeDay evaluations, those prop firms give you the access to Tradovate. You don't have to have access to Tradovate separately because the prop firm gives you your access codes such as your username and then you set your own password. Type those in if you've already got them. If not, go and buy your TradeDay or Apex Trader Funding Prop Firm Challenge so that you can then log in and start trading through your prop firms. Once you've got your username and password in, just hit sign in, then click on simulated trading because that's what you use for both the TradeDay or Apex Trader Funding access. We're going to go through some of the buttons and everything on the Tradovate app because then you'll know where to look, how to actually go and check the prices and the quotes and depth of market, those sorts of things. Here we've got a range of symbols. We're in the micro symbols here. You can see we've got the bid, last ask, high, low, open, and a few other bits of information there as well. Now, if you hold your finger on the actual quote itself, the name where it says MES June 24, for example, you hold down and then it opens up the depth of market. Now, I've only got level 1 for this example, and you can see here the market isn't really open at this point. And you've got the ladder there, that's the depth of market. You can buy and sell when you need to. If you go over to the side menu, you've also got some options here where you can show buy and sell market buttons. You can show the join bid or offer buttons so that you can basically, instead of buying the market, you can just jump in on the current bid or offer price. You can enable brackets, which I believe is a stop loss and a take profit automated setting, kind of like the ATM settings in your NinjaTrader that you can set up. You've also got a few other options there, such as trade, orders, balance sheet, and markets. So if I click on balance sheet, it pulls up the net liquidation value or the account balance, total profit, open, realized, and a few other bits and pieces there as well. If we click on orders, we can go through and see all orders working, filled, cancelled, and so on. And we can hit the trade button, search for a symbol and go buy and sell. But for me, I think I'd prefer to use the depth of market to trade on. In this top menu here, you can toggle between financials, currencies, crypto, energies, and so on. For those of you who are coming from CFD trading, particularly because of the US ban for CFDs, now you're moving into futures, I've got a link in the description below which takes you to the TradeDay permitted products and a conversion for the forex pairs and what their futures code relates to. So it might make it a bit easier to get into the futures and know what code you're looking to trade. So if you click on a currency, for example, you can see a bit of a depth of market here. It's not a full depth of market where you can trade on it, but it's got the information there. We've got some indicators here such as the moving average and relative strength index or RSI. We've got the last 500 ticks and the price movement. Also got the volume profile. Now the volume profile is a really important tool when it comes to understanding where the market is happy to trade. Now those spaces in between, which you can see here, which are lower, and then you've got the two peaks at top and bottom, that lower volume area where there's less orange or yellow basically indicates that the market isn't really happy trading at those prices and it's more likely to push to these top or bottom prices and remain in that price range for a little bit. So as the price actually moves away from these two peaks, high and lower, and it goes through this lower area of volume, it's more likely to push through price a lot quicker because people aren't enjoying trading there, and it's going to allow the market to move a bit faster. The volume profile is a really good tool for understanding whether the market is likely to hang around these areas or it's going to keep pushing through because there's not enough volume to hold the pricing in its place. We've also got some specs. So we've got the symbol code, the minimum price, so it's got the US dollar per cash volume, we've got the margin, and a few other bits and pieces there as well. So if you're ready to trade, press on the trade button below the information that we've been looking at just now. That'll pull up an order ticket and you can go buy, sell, change the order type, good for day, good till cancel, set your take profit and stop loss, and so on if you choose to. Again, I'd prefer to either use the depth of market, or if you do have access to a computer, I find it's much easier to trade on a computer because the markets can move quite quickly, and a computer or a laptop is just more responsive, so you can act quickly and bring your decisions to life. So we've got here the depth of market. You can see the buy or sell button. At this point, because I trade from a computer, I'm not sure whether you can press on the 17 or the 20 to take you in like you can on the laptop. You can scroll across and see the pricing chart. If you pull from the left side, it'll pull the market over, so you can see some different information there. And that's the run through on Tradovate Mobile. If you have any questions, be sure to send them through because I do take them on board. I had a lot of requests to go through the setup of a Tradovate, a mobile app install. Good luck with your trading. If you enjoyed this video or took something positive from it, please hit the like button below. It lets me know this is helping others. To see more great content like this, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay updated with the latest.